Moving on to the PBA. Make it 3 wins in a row for the Rain or Shine Elasto Painters in the Commissioner's Cup. They hold off the skidding Magnolia Hotshots for a gutsy 102-100 victory at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. Rain or Shine fought back from a double-digit deficit and had more in the tank to hold off Magnolia's furious fourth-quarter rally. Andre Carajot helped the Elasto Painters regain the lead in crunch time. He finished with 15 points and 3 assists and was named Player of the Game. Rain or Shine swingman Santi Saltillan paced his team in the first half. He tallied a total of 17 markers. Magnolia reinforcement Ricardo Ratcliffe had 27 points and 13 rebounds before fouling out with less than 3 minutes to go. Rain or Shine now holds a record of 3 wins and 1 loss. Magnolia is currently in a 4-game slide with only 1 win to show for in 5 tries. After the game, Coach Yang discussed his squad's winning effort against a complete Magnolia lineup.
Mahirap. Magnolia came in with their full force. No? Nung previous games nila, medyo nag-struggle sila kasi hindi sila kompleto. Pero nung nakompleto sila, Paul's playing, Lucero's playing, so they're a different team. No? Kung andyan yung materials nila. Why, we just got lucky actually. But gusto ko yung pinakita naming laban. For the most part of the first half and third quarter, we had the game under control actually. No? Kaya lang nawala yung momentum sa amin patapos nung third quarter, no, napunta sa kanila. And ako, I think the good thing about this is ang ganda nung balik namin. Nabalikan pa namin yun.